pala si Marjo na Overcast at ito ang kwento ng buhay ko. Hi everyone, this is it! Ito na po, full payment ng ating Ford Mustang GT 5.0 top of the line 2023 model. 3.7 million cash na cash! In 3, 2, 1! Nagsimula tayo na may duda, takot at walang kumpiyansa sa sarili. Pero naniwala lang po talaga tayo sa vision ng mentors 3 years ago. Along my journey po, there were challenges, there were problems, there were obstacles, at yun ang naging kakampi ko sa pagkuha ko po nito. Kailangan kong magpakatatag dahil maraming taong nangangarap din kagaya ko. Let me tell you this, that God's timing is perfect and He has the final say. Salamat po!
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I